Hi, my name is Rochelle and I'm an Acuenergetics practitioner, teacher and co-owner of Acuenergetics. So I want to share with you today just a little about Acuenergetics and our level 1 workshop to answer just some of the common questions we hear. So Acuenergetics is a treatment modality that works with the electricity in the body to promote faster natural healing. It works on the basis that pain and illness are congested electricity, and if we can get that electricity moving again, then the body can heal faster. Our workshops are based around helping you understand how the bioelectrical system of the body works and teaching you how to use it to your own benefit. We want these trainings to be as practical and useful for you as possible, so that you can walk away with a heap of new skills, knowledge and techniques that you will use every day with your family and friends, and of course, for yourself. So we'll teach you the basics in how to feel the electrical flow, how it works in the body, what type of stresses impact this electrical flow, and how you can improve yours, and how to help you become pain-free and, importantly, happy. But to be able to improve that flow, you first need to learn how to feel the flow in the body. And yes, this is something anyone can do, including yourself. So this is not some special gift that some people have and others don't. We can all learn to do this. It's just a matter of getting in touch with it. And when you do, you'll see that it's actually not vague. It's quite tangible and practical. And you can learn how to feel the bioelectricity in the body. So once you can learn to feel, and you learn the key techniques that we use in Acuenergetics, like resonance, the sky's the limit in terms of what you can do. So in the workshop, we also talk a little about the mind-body connection and how it connects to the electricity, and how you can help yourself to not get so caught up with those emotions that are so damaging for the body, but also damaging for how you feel and how you are day to day. So you'll also get to experience a beautiful circulation of the light wellness balance. You'll feel what it's like to receive one, and also learn how to give one of these balances too, which are amazing for improving the flow of two of the core electrical channels in the body. These two channels which help with overall well-being, but also to improve sleep, help the immune system, improve cold and flus, and even help with jet lag. All in all, the skills that you learn, you can then go away and treat your kids or friends for a whole range of simple complaints like tummy aches, bumps, bruises, burns, pains, all sorts of things. It's really awesome. If you'd like to chat more about this, just drop me an email. I'm available to answer your questions. It's rochelle@acuenergetics.com, and I'd love to chat with you. Of course, after level 1, there's still more to learn. There's level 2 and 3 and also the practitioner training, but we can chat more about those later. The one thing I do want to say about those workshops and all the trainings, especially level 3, is that these trainings are designed for you to learn about the system, about yourself, about how the electrical physiology and anatomy operates, and how it can help you with your own health and how you are in this world. They are not just for people wanting to become practitioners. First and foremost, it's for you, because information like this is so important. This information about ourselves and how we are, you will use it every day for the rest of your life, no matter what you do, no matter what it is you do in your life, you will use this. It's that relevant and practical. So thank you very much for listening, and drop me a line if you want to have a chat. Thanks.